Unfortunately, it might not be a great day for those lemonade stands to pop up today.
Maybe a little bit later on when it
Okay.
gets warmer. But did you have a lemonade stand growing up?
And
no,
now, I never
on.
did. Well, I lived kind of out where it wasn't like,
Yeah.
frequent. I was like out in the country, essentially. People were not driving by that often. I would have sold maybe 1 cup a day.
I kind of lived, on the outskirts in Western Pennsylvania. And I think the only people that came to visit were like my aunts and grandparents.
Yeah.
But I was young. I was like, I have so many customers. And they'd give us like $1. And
I was like, you didn't give them for free, right?
no, and I was like,
Hey,
I'm rich. Look at this.
I have $1 now.
Definitely raining out there. Maybe not the kind of rain that you want to see, and even a few thunderstorms this morning. I will say good news is a lot of this is continuing to push off to the north and east, so we are seeing some quieter air filter into the region. And I'd say over the next hour or so, really going to notice a nice difference here, but still a few noisemakers out there, especially approaching the Mount Vernon area. Definitely a bit noisy. Westerville, this system is about to leave you here with some of that heavier rain, but we'll continue to see this lift off to the north and east. And if we do put a little bit of a track on that, Mount Vernon, it's going to be a little bit closer to your neighborhood as we head into the next 20 to 30 minutes or so. So get ready if you are planning on leaving the house. Just keep in mind that thunderstorm is headed your way. Not severe, but definitely a bit inconvenient and noisy, as we could see some damaging or gusty winds along with this, and also some heavy rainfall and frequent lightning as well. That'll push off, and I'd say by 9-10 o'clock this morning, a lot of that will hover over the east side of the state, and we'll start to see some quieter conditions for most of us here in central Ohio. We do want to keep an eye on a few of those counties closer to the Ohio-West Virginia border as we head into the afternoon and evening, as we could see a few more of those stronger to severe thunderstorms into the second half of the day. But most places here will remain quiet. As you can see, partly cloudy to mainly sunny skies heading into the afternoon. Temperatures making their way into the mid-70s, so it will feel pretty warm out there throughout the day as we get some sunshine. Here's that slight risk where we could see a few of those stronger to severe storms a little later on. Again, this is going to be a little bit closer to the Ohio-West Virginia border, where we do have the chance for some severe weather. But for most of us here, we'll see some of those relatively quieter conditions throughout the day, and that storm risk here in parts of central Ohio really going to dwindle. But for those folks in the southeastern Ohio area, we could see the possibility of some hail. That threat is elevated, also elevated in terms of some damaging wind. And we do have a low tornado risk, although that is low and could be, isolated heading throughout the later part of the afternoon and evening. For us here in the Columbus area, if you are planning on heading out and about, we do have the Columbus Clippers kicking off today. That'll start right around 1 o'clock. If you're headed out that way, nicer conditions throughout the afternoon, but warm. So maybe want a cool beverage as you head into that seventh inning stretch. Temperatures making their way into the mid-70s with quiet conditions. Tomorrow, looking at a beautiful day. We'll start off in the 40s, climbing into the low 70s during the afternoon with partly to mainly sunny skies. A really nice day ahead of us as we kick off the week. But that is going to change as we head into your Tuesday as we're tracking our next system. So Monday will stay dry, it'll stay quiet, and even for that early Tuesday morning commute, so far places look like they will stay dry. But as we inch a little bit closer to lunchtime in the later afternoon, we'll start to see this next system move in. This will bring some showers and even the chance for a few gusty thunderstorms as we head into your Tuesday late afternoon and evening. This system will kind of slowly push out of here as we head into your Wednesday morning. So early Wednesday morning commutes could be tracking a few of these lingering showers here before that continues to push out of the area. And I know we're a few days away, but still, Storm Prediction Center is looking at a marginal risk for a few of those stronger storms on Tuesday. And then closer to the Cincinnati area, there is that slight risk. This could change over the next few days, so make sure you're tuning back into that forecast on Tuesday, as we could have that threat of some strong to severe thunderstorms that we're watching out for. Let's take you into the next few days. We'll continue to see a few of those scattered thunderstorms this morning, but quieter conditions later this afternoon and even into the evening, staying quiet but warm as we climb into the mid-70s. Starting off in the 50s tomorrow, a quiet day on Monday with partly cloudy skies and temperatures into the 70s. Our next chance at inconvenient weather moves in on Tuesday with a chance for some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Wednesday, Thursday, cooling down, quieter and drier conditions with our next chance at rain on Friday.
Mackenzie, thanks so much. Well,